Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to present our research entitled Business Process Reengineering for Reducing Time of Procurement and Inventory Process in Telecommunication Tower Company. The authors of this research are Rahmatul Cahyo, Indra Mawan, Yadrifil, Muhammad Habibur Rahman, and Nur Hadi Wibowo. We are from Industrial Engineering Department, Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Indonesia. The telecommunications industry in Indonesia is currently developing rapidly and increasing competitively. The competitive offer must be supported by the technology and good quality of their products, one of which is the quality of a good signal or network. One of the supporting sectors in the telecommunications industry is the construction of telecommunication towers. Investment in the construction of telecommunication towers is currently growing fast to offset the many requests of telecommunications operators to utilize their services. According to Nitin Bhatt, partner and head of consulting at Frost and Sullivan, tower provider companies will experience growth of around 15% by the end of 2013. With a high growth rate accompanied by a large number of competitors in the industry, as well as a limited number of consumers, it will automatically increase business climate change. These changes are influenced by customers, competition, time, and price. Delay in the supply of materials and inappropriate storage of materials can result in delays in the completion of a project and even stop. As a result, there will be a complaints and customer dissatisfaction, so that it can be result in decreased competitiveness of the company. Many things in a company that originate from previous process result in delay. This includes ineffective and inefficient procurement and storage processes. The purpose of this research is to redesign the company's business process to overcome the problem of delays in the provision of project materials, especially in the process of procurement and storage of material. Business Process Reengineering, or BPR, has emerged as a solution for companies to improve performance, efficiency, and gain competitive advantage. BPR identify reasons for improving inefficient business process, reorganizing business functions, and improving the current position of the industry. Observed from studies of 75% to 80% of companies such as IBM, Johnson & Johnson, Ford, American Express, Walmart, almost all re-engineered and achieved extraordinary success. Some headlines in popular media: Walmart reduced restocking time from 6 weeks to 36 hours. Hewlett Packard's assembly time for computer servers touched under 4 minutes. Taco Bell sales jumped from $500 million to $3 billion. The reason behind this success story is business process re-engineering. Stage of BPR using IDEF0. The first one is current state analysis, and then design of the as-is model using IDEF0, identification of critical situations and areas for improvement, development of solutions beginning with a thorough understanding of strategy and goals and consequent process, and last is design of the to-be model using IDEF0. According to Lindsay and colleagues, BPR is a management tool where business processes are examined and redesigned to improve cost efficiency and service effectiveness. BPR is an organizational initiative to examine and redesign business process with the aim of achieving competitive breakthrough in quality, responsiveness, cost, satisfaction, and other performance measures. The methods that used in this research, the first one is business process identification. In order to understand the whole current process, or as is, and the related business units, it is necessary to identify the process flow. Identification and drawing are based on the existing procurement and the functions at the company by looking at existing activities. Next is FGD, focus group discussion. FGD is conducted to identify the process that most influence the amount of time, the process of procurement, and supply of items. The FGD was participated by experts who have strategic positions and their decisions can affect the process. The FGD was attended by 6 experts that can be seen in the table, discussing the process that most influence the amount of time, the procurement and supply process. The aim of FGD is to obtain several sub-processes that must be eliminated in time because it is identified that are most influential on the total process time. Next is process improvement. Based on the sub-process analysis in FGD results with informants about the sub-process activities that are problematic, then the sub-process activities are carried out improvement to determine bottlenecks and processes that cause waste. Suggestions for improvement can be done at the analysis level or at the redesign level. The FGD work team provided several ideas and solutions for making the ideal process map. Furthermore, these suggestions are collected and together with the work team, the coordinator proposed innovations or changes, which are explained in this paper. Suggestions for this new process are represented in the 2B model. Business processes that have been identified are mapped using a process flow map to find out the detailed flow of the process along with time details of each process, which are shown in the table. There are 4 main processes. Each main process has several activities and the total amount of time. For example, items procurement has 13 activities and span about 15 days and 620 minutes. The total time of all these main processes is 51 days and 1,615 minutes. After mapping the process before and after the redesign, this stage is comparing the amount of process time associated with the process before or as is and after the redesign or to be as can be seen in the table. As you can see in the table, the comparison of as is time and to be time was conducted. From the redesign processes suggested in FGD, there are several activities that experience time reduction. For example, request PR approval from the project manager and director. The actual time or as is time is 7 days. And after the improvement, or in the to be time, the time is only 3 days. Another reduction is in make a project budget activities. While the actual condition or as is condition is 1 day, the to be time is only 60 minutes. These improvements has reduced the total time from 51 days to 27 days, or about 46% of the total time. The to-be process flow is described using IDEF0 to compare changes with the as-is process flow modeling. From the FGD results, obtain several activities that will be carried out improvement. These activities are located in 3 sub-processes, namely the process of procurement of items, process of releasing items, the process of requesting items. The sub-process changes compared to the as-is depiction. The change is not too significant because the changes occur in the activities in the sub-process. In this slide, you can see the comparison shown in IDEF0 diagram of the procurement process as is and the to be process. The comparison of figure 2, IDEF0 diagram of the procurement process as is and IDEF0 diagram of the process of procurement in figure 3 experience a change in the activity of making a purchase request due to a reduction in the process of requesting approval from the project manager director. Comparison of figure 4, IDEF0 of items requisition process as is and figure 5 illustrates IDEF0 diagram of item requisition process to be. There is a change in the activities of the site acquisition process and the incorporation of the RFC process at the time of the acquisition process. Comparison of figure 6, IDEF0 diagram of the process of item expenditure as is and figure 7, IDEF0 diagram of process of expanding items to be. There is a change in the activity of making material request activities on the system that previously the mechanism of work was carried out by the project admin. On the diagram to be implemented mechanism work is carried out by the logistic department. Modeling the business process will help to understand the ongoing processes. The results of the analysis of business process will be used to design a to-be system that has a better performance. The result of the process mapping and the analysis of process time using flow maps in the as-is process, it is known there are a number of things that cause the length of time, the procurement of items, and the process will potentially cause delays in the term of supply of items. Action needs to be taken to improve the process has no added value, including the first one is automation. Automation is closely related to the use of information technology. This automation needs to minimize the potential duration of the process to use of information technology can be made to speed up the process and facilitate the approval of purchase requests and purchase order activities. Second is elimination. Eliminating the process means that the existing process becomes non-existent because it is considered unnecessary or can be replaced with a completely new process. The process that is eliminated is all processes that have no added value. Personal performance that causes the length of the process of MR documents in the system. This happens because the workload of personnel is too much or the lack of personal responsibility for the work done. Because human factors play an important role in a daily operations. Performance and ultimately result in organizational success, eliminating the work for making material requests by project admin personnel in the system and transferring the work to the logistics department is expected to reduce processing time. And the third is integration or combining processes into one process. The simplified task is then integrated in order to produce a smooth flow. Previously, the units in the sub-process of the demand for items were involved working separately. It takes a long time to complete the work, then the work is combined in one process because the two are interconnected. In conclusion, this research produced a complete model of IDEF0 method that provides information on functions, systematic and sequential system description so that they are easily understood from the procurement and storage process. The result of the process flow map analysis identifies the total time from receipt of the project order to the product leaving in 51 days. FGD were conducted to identify and produce 3 sub-processes consisting of 6 activities that most influence the amount of time the process of procurement and supply of items and require improvement. Improvement of business process is done and shows that improvements to business processes can reduce the processing time from receipt of project orders to the item delivery only takes 27 days. Comparing of the total time before and after improvements to the procurement and storage business process can shorten the processing time by 46%. The authors would like to thank Universitas Indonesia for the support of this research. Thank you.